Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So right now I am reviewing the Gold HFT EA for MT4 and MT5. Although in this video I am discussing the MT5 version. Looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page, the EA is priced at $550 developed by Bukola Omolola Adesina, and it is currently listed as version 1.0 with 10 activations. The focus here is on gold trading, specifically XAUUSD, and it is described as a structured momentum execution system. As I scroll through the description, the main idea behind this EA is pretty clear. It is designed around breakout conditions, specifically when the market moves from consolidation into expansion. So instead of constant trading, it waits for structured breakout setups before executing. Now, one thing that stands out immediately is the strong emphasis on discipline. The EA is built to avoid martingale, grade trading, or any form of averaging into losses. It strictly takes one structured opportunity at a time, which already suggests a controlled and rule-based execution style. Looking at the trade management section, I can see it includes fixed stop loss and take profit, along with break-even activation once the trade reaches a certain level of profit. There is also a profit locking mechanism and optional trailing logic once protection is active. So overall, it is clearly focused on capital protection before anything else. Another key detail here is execution discipline. The EA only allows one position at a time per symbol, and it also includes session filtering and day restrictions. That means it can be set to trade only during specific high liquidity periods like London or New York sessions, while staying inactive outside those windows. I also notice it includes a transparency dashboard which shows real-time trade status, floating profit and loss, protection status, and daily trading cycle information. So the behavior is not hidden. It's designed to be monitored clearly while running. Now, moving into the backtesting section, let us start by reviewing the historical performance provided here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, focusing on how the EA behaves during different market conditions on this breakout framework. So we can see that the total profit made in this example was $17,932.5. Although I can't find the initial deposit here. The profit factor is 1.48. Total trades 1,741. Short trades were 877 with a 66.7% win rate. Long trades 864 with a 62.73% win rate. The total number of profitable trades out of 1741 was 1,127, giving us an overall profitability of 64.73%. All right, the balance curve looks pretty interesting. All right, and we are just going to be heading over to our strategy tester so that we can see how this EA performed in 2026. So we are testing the Gold HFT EA on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, and we are testing from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. We are using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. Looking at the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was 901.3. Total trades taken were 310. And we can see that the number of profitable trades were 197, giving us a 63.55% win rate. And then the largest profit was 101.5. Largest loss was 63.3. Average profit 39.14. Average loss 60.26. So that shows us that the risk to reward ratio on average is bad, because we can see that the average loss is bigger than the average profit, all right, by around 50% or a little bit more. Okay, so from what I can observe on the chart, the system tends to stay inactive during quieter consolidation phases and becomes more active when volatility expands. This matches the description of a breakout based approach where movement and momentum are required before execution. You can also see that trade activity appears structured rather than random, with clear pauses between cycles, which suggests it is respecting its rule-based entry conditions rather than overtrading. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more complete understanding of how the EA behaves across different volatility environments. Now, stepping back from the chart, the key takeaway here is how the system prioritizes execution discipline and risk control over trade frequency. Everything from break-even logic to session filtering is designed to manage exposure during breakout conditions. All right. So overall, the Gold HFT Expert Advisor is a structured momentum breakout EA for gold that focuses heavily on controlled execution and capital protection. And as always, results will depend on broker conditions, risk settings, and how it is optimized by the user. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.